Hello, everyone, and welcome to that day number 3. Okay, you previously were discussing and were doing an activity related to the activity in the day number 2. So let me show you what it is. Okay, we were discussing about the question, how can I get to express, how can I arrive to some place? Okay, for example, you can use the hospital, the bank, the supermarket, and other different public spaces to express that idea and moderate the exercise. Okay. We also suggest the use of prepositions of place. For example, in front of, across from, next to, behind, among, yes, among, between, near, or close to, no? Near, along, on the other side, to the left and to the right. So in other video, you will see and study deeply the prepositions of place, okay? But in this video, we're just going to use them to express giving directions. For example, you can use this short conversation and activity, and you can use it in pairs, okay? And practice. One of you can ask, how can I get to the bank? You can moderate. How can I get to the hospital? How can I get to the supermarket? How can I get to the store, to the drugstore? Okay, moderate. And the other of you can say, okay, first, go straight and walk 2 blocks. Okay, you are referring that you have to walk a specific distance. Turn right on the corner. Turn right on the corner. In front of the drugstore, you will find a van. So this is your opportunity to start practicing this short conversation and exercise and using some prepositions of place and words related to giving directions. Okay, so let's start practicing for 5 minutes with your partners. And you can pause a video, of course, and practice as much as possible. Okay, and then we are going to continue with the next part of this session. Good job, my friends. So, what do we have for the next part? In the English language, it's very important to recognize that there are different sounds and combinations of letters that create a new sound. In Spanish, the sounds are very specific and maybe just use one letter or one vowel for that sound. But in English, it's different, okay? For example, today we are going to focus on the H combination sound, okay? And the combination is going to be in the next way. You are going to put your tongue between your teeth. Yes, between your teeth. So now try to blow the air, okay, with the position of your tongue between your teeth, like this. Yes, exactly. If you need to take your tongue out, please do it. Yes, it's so fun, but it's okay. It's part of the practice, okay? Yes. Remember, the position of the tongue is between your teeth, and try to, when you do that, try to blow the air and exhale the air. Okay, so practice other different in different times, okay? Yes, very good. So After practicing this short position, okay, we are going to start with the sound. TH has the sound like this, no? As you practice, very good. And if we apply this sound in the words we have on the right side in my presentation, you will hear this. Birthday. Repeat. Birthday. Birthday. Free. 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 Yes. In case you need to take your tongue out, do it, please. Free. Very good. 3. 30. 30. 30. Third. Repeat. Third. 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 Fourth. Fourth. Exaggerate. Exaggerate. Yes, it's important to exaggerate at the beginning. Fourth. Sixth. Yes, you need to. 6. 6. 7. 7. Exaggerate. 7. 7. Thinking. 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 True. 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 Good. I want to show you a difference and a mistake which many people make. Okay, for example, we have this. We have 3 and 3. Okay, Latin Americans, we usually pronounce the number 3 as the word tree, but the tree is part of the nature. I mean, it's not the number. This is a kind of part of the nature, no? With the leaves, the trunk. Okay, yes, you can. For example, you can find a tree in a park, in the forest, yes. But the difference in the sound is this. The number is 3. 3 and not tree, because tree is an object. Okay? Tree is an object. You can find a tree in a forest, in the park, in the jungle, okay? But this is 3. 3. Okay, that is the difference. So please, from now, you don't need to or don't pronounce 3 as 3. It's 3. The number is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this time, please practice as much as possible with your partner. Of course, when you finish, the idea is that you provide a feedback, positive feedback, of course, to your partner and exchange some ideas about, is it difficult to pronounce the TH combination or is not? Okay, it's important you answer this question. So for this activity, you will take around 10 minutes. Excellent, my friends. So as you know, every unit has a conversation or dialogue in which we use all the vocabulary and resources we study at the beginning of the unit. So this is going to be our 2 vocabularies and conversations, okay? Of course, related to this week's topic. I don't want you read, not yet, okay? I don't want you read loudly, no. For this exercise, I will need you identify all the words that have TH combination and start practice. For example, if I find one word combination with TH is with, no? Look at this. this word has TH combination. So what you need to do in this part is copy or underline the word or circle, okay, and start practicing. You don't say with, no, you say with. Example, I agree with you. I agree with you. Can you listen the difference? I agree with you. But if we listen in this way, I agree with you, with. You can note the difference, of course. Okay, so this exercise is going to be to identify the TH combination in many of these words and start practicing the pronunciation, okay, individually. This word is going to be individual. Okay. So my friends, this is the exercise for the day number 3. And in the day number 4, we are going to have different other exercises to practice, so come prepared. It's very important that you practice the TH combination, the linking words, and the pronunciation of the T. T. Yes, like time. No, very good. Tired. Okay. Practice the 3 forms of sounds, link words, the sound of the T, and the TH combination sounds. Okay. So thank you so much for today's participation, and see you the day number 4.